Hello everyone, Dr. Vaishali here. Welcome to Law, Simple, Pure and to the Core. So far we learned some important understandings or concepts in our legal education. For example, what is law? What are the sources of law? Classification of law? Meaning of certain important concepts in law. Afterwards, we are going to learn some important doctrines or principles or concepts in legal education, which are pretty much universal. For example, concept of separation of powers, doctrine of rule of law, doctrine of parliamentary sovereignty, doctrine of constitutional supremacy, doctrine of precedent, and the list goes on. From today onwards, I'm going to change the pattern in which I usually teach. Language is going to get little bit complex. I'll make sure I explain meaning of those words then and there only. You have to keep pen and paper ready so that you can take notes. I'll be presenting notes and slideshows. Next lecture is going to be on concept of rule of law. I'll be recording next lecture in two parts. One is for Indian students and international students, and second lecture is for Indian students. In lecture number 1, I'm going to give you detailed idea about concept of rule of law and opinions of various jurists on the concept of rule of law and a brief historical review of the theory. And in lecture number 2, it will be on Dyson concept of rule of law and how it is applicable with modifications in Indian legal system. So if you are writing a paper or if you are writing an answer on concept of rule of law, you have to combine lecture number 1 and lecture number 2. So stay tuned till my next lecture. Goodbye and good luck.